person would you say you are?
To be honest, I don't really know. After you approached me about this project and stuff, I started thinking about it and I was like, there's no category or stereotype that I really fit into because I'm still like in limbo.
How would you describe your body to somebody else?
I would start with saying that all my limbs are in place. But I would also mention that like I have some issues with my health and stuff like that. So I'm like struggling with body image. I definitely like somehow it would come up.
How much does what you look like matter to how you see yourself?
It started mattering very recently actually. Before I was super nonchalant about it. I didn't really care how my appearance made it impacted what I was saying or what I was doing. But of late I think it's become more of a thing. It's mainly how I see myself in the mirror, or maybe like someone to make a comment at home because I'm always like, Mom, my mom's always concerned about the way I come across to others, so she's always a little skeptical of the way I look. So I've, it's kind of pushed me to like look at myself critically a little bit as well. It all stems from a certain insecurity, which I think I didn't have before. So and I enjoyed that time of my life. So I don't want that negativity to impact the way I look and the way I come across.
Could you show us the photograph?
Yeah.
Just like photograph in front of you. So could you tell us something about this picture?
Yeah. So this picture was taken when I was in high school, and this picture, although it's like a general just picture of me holding a camera, but I think it like leans into something a lot bigger, which is also my interest in photography. And this was also a time where I was like getting serious about my health. I was trying to make new friends. It was like a transition period. Maybe some people say that's not a nice picture or whatever, but in my mind, like I'm looking at the picture and I'm smiling, I'm holding like a bunch of cameras in my hand, and for me that's the dream. That's so much fun. And so it was like a really good time period for me.
Could you tell us something about sort of the person in this picture?
I would say she's fairly like, you can tell that her demeanor is a little nervous and she's a little scared, so she comes off a little intimidated, which is why like she rambles and this and that. But on the whole, like she tries to be cheerful. She's like goofy, funny. Certain aspects have gone forward, but as time has gone on and I've had more and more experiences, I've just kind of got lost as to who I am. Because everyone says you have to develop a personal style or something like that, but I guess I don't really, like I said, I don't really have an answer as to what mine is exactly. So I guess in pursuit of that, I've kind of like lost my way a little bit.
When do you feel most like yourself?
Mainly when I'm by myself, like I guess listening to music or reading or just like at peace by myself. I'm someone who's intimidated easily by others, and I'm very like in awe of people that, oh my god, she's so funny, or oh my god, she's so pretty, or whatever it may be. So that tends to inhibit the way I come across. I tend to come across like nervous and jittery, which is often the case. I guess with time I got more sensitive to people saying that, maybe this doesn't look the best on you, or you need to lose weight, or I guess mainly these weight comments. I guess it just made me a lot more conscious of the way I look. Obviously I have weight issues and I've struggled with it since I was a kid, and also I've come to learn that like heart problems and stuff like that run in my family, so I've been a little more conscious of that. But I guess after a certain point I just realized that people are taking their health seriously around me, and I think it's something to aspire to. I guess that's what kind of just ingrained the whole, you need to put in some more effort.
If you had to go back and give advice to yourself, what advice would you give?
I would have told her that, don't take it in like a negative light. You're already like so serious about your health at this point, and you're like going to the gym, you're exercising, you're eating right. Just keep pushing yourself to do that. It doesn't happen overnight. It takes time to get there. As long as I'm comfortable, it shouldn't matter what another person has to say about my appearance. Be comfortable as you. I think it starts at home, because it's always like how people joke about how the aunties and uncles are always talking about like you need to lose weight or something, like you have pimples on your face or like your glasses, your braces, like whatever it may be. It kind of starts there. And then at school also we learn about like some schools provide sex education and like how that works and stuff like that, but nobody teaches you how to be a positive person. Everyone's so competitive and everyone's so like hardcore about, oh, I need to academically do better than others, and I guess that competitiveness also forwards into physically looking better than others or having like likes on pictures and stuff like that. And I guess the solution to that is to try and stand up to the people who are like making you feel bad about yourself or making these comments like, oh, you're fat or this or that. Tell them that, okay, if you're concerned about my weight, that's fantastic, but try and put it across that, I'm concerned for your health as compared to I'm concerned for the way you look. So I guess the terminology definitely makes a difference.
Payal, with her body right now, what would you say that relationship is like?
Right now, I'd say that we're kind of at odds with each other. Like, I'm not completely happy with the way I look. But again, it's not because I don't look a certain way or I can't wear certain clothes. It's more because I'm concerned for my health, and it's a genuine concern that's coming up. So I'm not happy with myself, but I think now that I've had this realization, I can try and like slowly work towards a certain goal. I guess it comes across in the way I carry myself, but it's not something I talk about very often. So yeah, I feel really good now. This is a photograph of me.